FAI Drone Racing World Cup will be held as well. I'll be hosting that event. I'll be one of the MCs, or probably the only MC, I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm headed over there. I'm gonna be meeting up with Marlon's team, McFly Industries, who is setting up the race, setting up the whole event for the drone race. It's just a 4-hour drive. Well, actually, it's just now 3.5 hours because I've been driving for the past half hour already. So I will catch you there when I get there, and hopefully it's going to be a very exciting race day starting tomorrow until Sunday. So the McFly crew are still setting up all of the gates and the timing system, but yeah, they're gonna take me to our room so that we can get rested up. So I'm just waiting for them. But that was really good dinner. It was sizzling lechon kawali, silog. So there was egg, there was garlic rice, and obviously the crispy sizzling lechon kawali. It's really hot. I think I burned my tongue. Morning. That's my roommate Mark.
Hey, what's up?
Show him your vest.
My vest? Oh yeah.
Why do you have the vest?
Yeah, the vest.
You're supposed to have that vest.
26. No IDs. That's the best.
Backstage passes. Yeah.
So I'm here right now at the VIP area of the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, and today is the first day and the opening ceremony is about to start. You can see that they're inflating all of the balloons, and in a little bit we will have our national anthem going to be played in a little while. So the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta has officially started. We've just came from the opening ceremonies and the flag raising or the national anthem, and all of the hot air balloons are up in the air. So we are just going back to our room, and I'm going to get ready for our drone racing World Cup, where I'll be the MC, or I'll be the host for that event. So the pilot's briefing is in about an hour, so that gives me a little bit of time to research on all of the pilots that we have here from both local and from abroad. So this is what our room looks like in here at the Athletes Village, and it's still in pretty good shape. It's pretty nice. This is my cabinet. I have clothes, I have my shoes. They have a good aircon, ref. The bathroom is nice. It has hot water, hot shower. Mic test. Welcome to the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta. Just a reminder for the third gate, which is the first on the triple.
Number 3.
You're supposed to pass over the gate, not to the left of it. Okay, so for the first triple, you pass over the gate and dive through the gate.
CG 22.8 is first. Blackbear FPV 20.5 is second.
Something about Mark. So we met because he just commented on one of my FPV videos, and he was looking for the FPV community in the Philippines. So yeah, and then eventually we wrote some of the proposed amendments for the CAAP regulations. So the thing is, Mark was planning to sleep in his car last night, and it was really a series of fortunate events that he didn't, because I was resting in the room, and then I just decided, okay, I'm gonna go out now and look for soap. And then, coincidentally, Andre walked across here in this very hallway, coming back to his room. When I told him that I was going to look for soap, he told me that he had some body soap, body wash that he could, lend me or give me. Andre's body wash was in his car, so we had to go down to the parking lot. So we went down together, and Andre was trying to look for his car. Andre saw Mark in his car, trying to get comfortable, getting to sleep in his car, and he knocked on the window, and there we found out that he was planning to sleep in his car, and I didn't have any roommate, so this whole room was all mine. So we said, might as well stay here. If we were just 5 minutes early, or if I was 5 minutes late, I wouldn't have crossed paths with Andre, so I wouldn't be going down to the parking lot where Andre's car was. I would be going straight to the convenience store to look for some soap. There. So anyway, that is going to be it. I'm so tired. I slept at 2 a.m., woke up at 4 a.m. for all of the day's activities. So I'm really, really dead tired. I'm going to take a shower, and that is going to be it for day one here in the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta and also the first day of the 2026 Drone Racing World Cup, right? So I am going to, you know, oh god, my brain is not braining anymore. I am going to leave you with that. As always, keep building and keep flying. So I'm not supposed to do any activities anymore. In fact, I already dressed down into a shirt, shorts, and slippers. But Mark called me, said there's a light show in the middle, and they're in the middle of the oval, in the middle of the stadium. So, oh what the hell? Let's go.
I'm feeling my way through the quiet, trying to find where I belong. Don't know how far I've got to go, but I know I've got to stay strong. People say I'm dreaming too loud, that maybe I should slow it down, but I can't just sit and wait around. I won't stop till I found. So here I am.
Alright, so that is going to be it for today. As always, keep building and keep flying.